Hi, so we're here to review why the tracking of an algorithm is important. Sometimes the algorithms are not correctly written, so they will show some problems, like in this one. The last time we reviewed this algorithm, we were on the third time, and I wrote instead of 2, I wrote, I wrote 3, but no, I'm sorry, I made a mistake, and instead of 3, 2, because if you see here the condition says that 1 plus 1 equals 2, and that's the next step in here. So yeah, my mistake. This one, 3, it's really 2. So let's do it with 2. We have that k equals 2, names k, 2 equals 5 minus k minus 1, and then we have 5 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2. So here we have a little problem. Why? Because the things we were doing before this was that we swap the names. The position number was never the same, but here we have 2, 2, so it won't change. So number 2, in this case Ali, won't change position, but that ain't okay. Why? Because the purpose of this algorithm is to change places. So what could we do? Well, that is important, like the review of the algorithm, because if we do not review correctly, we are not going to know the mistakes it has. So if we do not understand the mistakes, then when we do it and we program it, it won't work, and we would know why. So yeah, thus in this part, we have that the condition that's met in the loop while here and here will not happen because this cannot change, because this and the names will not change, and Ali will stay the same, and that's not correct. Therefore, we need to do something to change it. So if we create another position, we needed to add one of this, so it will be 6 and here it will be 5. Let's try it to see if it works. So we have 2, 2, and here it is still being 2, even though, well, no, because if n is now 6, we have 6 minus 2, 4 minus 1, 3. So Ale will swap with Sonia in this case. But if we continue working on it, there will be a point in which the condition will not be met. And it will happen all over again, and in this case number 5 will not change. So the condition while is wrong. Therefore, it needs to be changed also this, and names n k minus 1, because there's a way in which it won't work. But we can also end the loop, so this won't happen and Ali won't have to change. And we just stop it when n is n minus 1 minus n minus 1 minus k. So at that time, the condition will end. Oh, and it won't have to be um, it won't have to be like reanalyzed. But also, it's a good point that we add another array for it. So yeah, that's it though. Thank you for watching that not the correction, but to see why was it wrong, the algorithm, and what wouldn't work, and to see possible correct answers so that this algorithm will change.